What do you do if you skip a location in your memory palace when you're learning information? Well, this is something you could do for a quick fix. So let's say you're trying to learn the presidents of the United States. So this is location 5, 6, and so on. And so you put President 5 in location 5, but you skip number 6. And so President 6 goes into location 7, and maybe it's these doors right here, okay? And so everything is going to be off by 1 now. And so when you get to the very end, you're going to have one president that's not in a location. So the first thing is, okay, everything after number 5 is going to be messed up and off by 1. So location 7 is actually president number 6. And so these are just a mental note that you have to make, and you can't really use the memory technique to help you remember, oh yeah, everything is 1 ahead or 1 behind now. And so you just have to accept the fact and just like, okay, so 7, president 6. But now, let's say, okay, you have this 45th president. Now, you could put it in the 6th location, but you just have to remember when you're going and recalling the information, like, oh yeah, the 6th location has the very last president in it. Now, depending on what the information is, for the presidents, it's very simple to like go through and be like, oh wait, there's no way Donald Trump is the 6th president. You know, he's way after whoever the 5th president is, right? And so that could be a cue to let you know, oh yeah, okay, this has to be the very last information I messed up on. Or let's say this is location 45, but actually has president 44, right? What you could do is go and create just one more location and be like, okay, how about we use the stove? And then you put the 45th president in location 46. But it really depends on, okay, do you have any extra locations or extra rooms, objects that are after the very last location? Because if not, you would have to go back and use the location that you skipped. Okay? So that's how you would fix the problem of skipping a location. Now, what I gave you was a very quick and simple, I guess 2 quick and simple fixes, but it really depends on the information that you're learning, because that could completely change how you're going to recall it, how you need to use it. And so you have to use your best judgment and see, okay, these fixes Johnny gave me, can I use them for the information I'm learning? No. How can I adapt them then? So you have to use everything I've been teaching you in all these videos with your judgment and combine them all together to find the best solution for you. Because all I could do is just give you tips and tricks and give you different techniques, methods, whatever it may be, but I would never know the exact problem that you're running into. So hopefully you found this video useful, and I'll see you next time.